In the vast expanse of the digital universe, a new star has emerged, Chat GPT Pro. This advanced AI model developed by OpenAI represents a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence. Chat GPT Pro is not merely a chatbot, it is a powerful tool designed to assist professionals in various fields. It offers a glimpse into the future of AI assistance. Its advanced capabilities have the potential to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and solve problems. This essay will explore the key features and benefits of ChatGPT Pro. We will delve into its advanced reasoning abilities, multimodal capabilities, and improved performance. Join me as we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of this groundbreaking AI model. One of the most compelling aspects of ChatGPT Pro is its unlimited access to OpenAI's most advanced models. Subscribers are no longer bound by message limits. They can explore the full potential of GPT-4, o1, and other cutting-edge models. This unrestricted access is crucial for professionals who rely on AI assistance for demanding tasks. Imagine a world where writers, researchers, and programmers have a constant companion, an AI that can help them overcome creative blocks, analyze complex data, and generate code with remarkable speed and accuracy. This is the promise of ChatGPT Pro's unlimited access. It empowers users to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI without the constraints of limited usage. At the heart of ChatGPT Pro lies the o1 model. This advanced reasoning engine sets ChatGPT Pro apart from its predecessors. o1 is designed to tackle complex problems that require a deep understanding of context and nuance. Traditional AI models often struggle with tasks that require abstract thinking or logical deduction. o1, on the other hand, excels in these areas. It can analyze complex data sets, identify patterns, and draw inferences with remarkable accuracy. This advanced reasoning ability makes o1 an invaluable tool for professionals in fields such as data science, programming, and legal analysis. ChatGPT Pro breaks down from the confines of text-based communication. It introduces groundbreaking multimodal capabilities, allowing users to interact with the AI in entirely new ways. One of the most exciting additions is the ability to upload and analyze images. Imagine showing ChatGPT Pro a before to choreograph and asking it to describe the scene, identify objects, or even answer questions about the image's context. This fusion of visual and textual understanding opens up a world of possibilities. For researchers, this could mean analyzing medical images for early signs of disease. For educators, it could mean creating interactive learning experiences that engage students on a deeper level. Section 5. Speed and efficiency, faster response times. In the fast-paced digital world, time is of the essence. ChatGPT Pro understands this and delivers significantly faster response times compared to previous models. This enhanced speed is particularly noticeable when using the o1 Pro mode, which leverages additional computing power for even more demanding tasks. Imagine waiting for an important piece of information or a complex calculation. With ChatGPT Pro, the wait is minimized, allowing you to maintain your flow and focus on the task at hand. Whether you're a programmer waiting for code suggestions or a researcher analyzing large data sets, ChatGPT Pro's faster response times can significantly boost your productivity. Section 6. Enhanced performance, accuracy, and precision. ChatGPT Pro doesn't just do things faster, it does them better. Benchmarks and tests demonstrate significant improvements in the model's overall performance, particularly in reasoning, coding, and mathematical capabilities. The o1 model in particular is designed for accuracy and conciseness. It's trained to avoid unnecessary fluff and get straight to the point, reducing errors on complex questions by a significant margin. This focus on precision is essential for professionals who rely on accurate information to make critical decisions. Whether you're a scientist conducting experiments or a financial analyst managing investments, ChatGPT Pro provides the reliability, and accuracy you need to excel in your field. Section 7. Target audience: professionals seeking AI assistance. Chat GPT Pro, with its advanced capabilities and robust performance, is tailored for a specific audience: professionals who require the best AI assistance available. This includes programmers and developers. The enhanced coding capabilities and access to advanced models like O1 make Chat GPT Pro an invaluable tool for software development, code generation, and debugging. Whether you're writing new software, fixing bugs, or optimizing existing code, Chat GPT Pro can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Researchers and scientists: the improved reasoning and analytical abilities coupled with image analysis can significantly benefit research across various disciplines from medicine and biology to physics and astronomy. By leveraging ChatGPT Pro, researchers can analyze complex datasets, generate hypotheses, and even automate repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on groundbreaking discoveries. Data scientists and analysts: O1's proficiency in data science and complex data analysis makes ChatGPT Pro ideal for professionals working with large datasets, identifying trends, and extracting meaningful insights. With its ability to process and interpret vast amounts of data quickly, ChatGPT Pro can help data scientists uncover patterns and make data-driven decisions with greater accuracy. This is not an exhaustive list, of course. Many other professionals, from marketers to financial analysts, can also benefit from the versatile capabilities of ChatGPT Pro. The potential applications of ChatGPT Pro span numerous industries and professions, limited only by our imagination. Whether it's enhancing creativity, improving efficiency, or driving innovation, ChatGPT Pro is designed to meet the diverse needs of today's professionals. Section 8. Pricing and value. A $200 investment. This section delves into the cost and the immense value that comes with a $200 monthly subscription to ChatGPT Pro. ChatGPT Pro's advanced features and capabilities come at a price. A $200 monthly subscription. This fee grants users access to a suite of powerful tools and functionalities designed to enhance productivity and efficiency. This pricing reflects the high cost of running and maintaining these sophisticated AI models. The infrastructure required to support such advanced technology is substantial, involving significant investments in hardware and software. OpenAI invests heavily in computational power and infrastructure to ensure the smooth operation and continuous development of ChatGPT Pro. This includes regular updates and improvements to keep the service at the cutting edge of AI technology. For many professionals, this investment is justified by the value ChatGPT Pro brings to their work. The ability to streamline tasks, generate high-quality content, and access reliable AI assistance can significantly boost productivity. The increased productivity, enhanced accuracy, and access to cutting-edge AI technology can far outweigh the monthly cost. Users find that the time saved and the quality of work produced make the subscription a worthwhile expense. Furthermore, the subscription model ensures that ChatGPT Pro remains accessible to a wide range of users, fostering innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI assistance. This model supports continuous improvement and the development of new features, benefiting all subscribers. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of AI assistance. ChatGPT Pro represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of artificial intelligence. It is a testament to how far we have come in integrating AI into our daily lives and professional environments. It's not just a tool, it's a powerful ally for professionals seeking to augment their capabilities and achieve new heights in their respective fields. From automating mundane tasks to providing insightful data analysis, ChatGPT Pro is revolutionizing the way we work. As AI technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more sophisticated and versatile tools like ChatGPT Pro to emerge. These advancements will not only enhance productivity, but also open up new avenues for innovation and creativity. The future of AI assistance is bright, and ChatGPT Pro is leading the charge. It is setting new standards for what AI can achieve and how it can be seamlessly integrated into various sectors. It's a future where human ingenuity and artificial intelligence work together to solve complex problems, unlock new discoveries, and create a better world for all. This collaboration will drive progress in ways we can only begin to imagine. Let us embrace this future with open arms and explore the boundless possibilities that AI has to offer. Together, we can harness the power of AI to build a more efficient, innovative, and inclusive world.